Nvidia has reported a 78% surge in fourth quarter sales, fueled by rising demand for artificial intelligence. The company's annual revenue climbed 114% to $130.5 billion. And for the upcoming quarter, Nvidia expects revenue of around $43 billion, surpassing Wall Street estimates. Net income rose sharply to $22 billion, while gross margins dipped slightly to 73% due to newer, costlier data center products. But the focus now shifts to Nvidia's next generation AI chip, Blackwell, which is expected to significantly boost sales this year. That's what the company expects. For further clarity, we have with us, joining us on NDTV at the moment, Global Economist Mitali Nikore. Thank you so much, Mitali, for making time for us. Nvidia's earnings have surged, as I just mentioned, driven by its Blackwell chips and the growing demand for AI. But Mitali, does this signal the beginning of a new economic era where tech companies like Nvidia are not just leading the market, but also reshaping the market?
Absolutely. Good morning, Parmeshwar. And, it's a very interesting, set of news that we're seeing this morning, particularly with NVIDIA's earnings report and, the industry guidance that they've issued. Because if you just look back by maybe 20 years, all of us in the year 2000, were looking at the earnings reports of a number of IT companies. And, we used to keenly look forward to the results of even the Indian IT companies, as well as some of the global IT companies like Microsoft at that time. And we used to think that, they are going to be actually shaping the next 2 decades or 3 decades of the information technology industry. And today, 20 years later, we're now talking about a completely new innovation in the tech industry, which is artificial intelligence. And because NVIDIA chips, and of course, not only Blackwell, but over the last, 10 years that NVIDIA has built this market leading position, we see how they are, now today the undisputed market leader for American AI companies. It is now, point to be seen whether Chinese AI companies, which are racing ahead in this, sort of growth market and this growing market and in this competition towards, creating the most preferred large language models, how will they actually adapt and how will they create alternatives to NVIDIA? It's a market that they've dominated as a monopolist over the last decade in a way, but now it remains to be seen whether new competitors come up.
Right. Also, NVIDIA's dominance in the AI chip market, many point out, it seems unchallenged, but it remains to be seen how vulnerable the sector is to global trade tensions, especially with the White House actually forming this new AI-related joint venture. Remains to be seen whether geopolitical risks slow down this tech momentum. But thanks so much, Mitali, for making time for us on NDTV.